Hello, Mr. Subramaniam.
Actually, Srinivas Balasubramaniam.
Srinivas Balasubramaniam, wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Hi, Chini.
Happy 40th.
Hey Srini, here's wishing you a very happy birthday.
Hi Chini, happy 40th birthday.
Hey, Madrasi.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, bhai. Srini, I really don't believe you've turned 50, man.
अबे चूतिया.
In fact, I was surprised when Anita told me you've turned 50.
तेरे जैसे मोटी चमड़ी वाले के लिए बॉम्ब किने
Yeah, you've really maintained yourself. At the age of 60, looking 50 is a remarkable achievement.
भेन चौथ गाड़ी तो रोक, ब्रेक तो मार.
आओ
40th. Oh, are you serious? He's 40. He's not 50.
You remind me of this. You know why? Because you're a dumbbell.
Oh, sorry.
Welcome to Club 40.
वैसे तो आई डोंट किसी की बढ़ाई नहीं करता बट करना पड़ेगा.
You look so sexy, man. Even at 40, you're like one stud boy, yaar.
So well endowed, good looking, handsome, wealthy, with the best sedan car on this planet.
If there is one person that always stood for grit and boldness, it's you, Srini. Your fighting spirit, your never say die attitude has always inspired me, Srini. Happy birthday. Congratulations on turning 40. God bless you. Rise and shine.
माय डियर हल, आपको 40वें जन्मदिन पर बहुत बहुत बधाई.
Naughty at 40.
आणि 40 आहे तू कोणाला सांगू नको रे, आमचं पण वय नजर येतो आम्हाला.
Life starts now.
Hey, Madrasi. Wish you a very happy birthday. Have a wonderful day and wonderful year. May God bless you with all the blessings and may all your dreams come true. Have a wonderful day, buddy. God bless you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे डर्टी माइंड. तेरे जैसे मोटी चमड़ी वाले के लिए बॉम्ब किने आओ की जरूरत होती है. Wish you a very, very happy birthday, brother. Have a great day and a great year ahead and welcome to the club.
Hi Chini, happy 40th birthday. First things first, there has to be a party and there has to be booze. What can I say about you? We haven't known each other for too long, just about 30 years. Best fast bowler in Neelkant, though I gave you a hard time with the bat. Your make-believe stories were legendary. They will not be recounted on this video. Number 1 lecher, king of the Mawali lingo. You tried really hard to get me to go to the gym and get fit. That never really happened. But those were fun days, riding to Prabodhankar on your bullet every day. Your career and the fight back after the accident are inspirational. I'm yet to meet your amazing family, Anita and your son. I'm hoping to do that soon. All in all, a fantastic journey. Don't let your 40th birthday pass without a kick-ass party, and I want to be there. Have a wonderful year, have a wonderful time, and see you soon. All the best.
Hi, Chini. So here's wishing you a super 40th birthday. You know, when I look back now, it has been such a phenomenal journey of knowing you. And I think we've spent so much time together, beginning our days in G7 Mangla apartments, ordering that dal chawal aloo zira. I can still feel it in my mouth, and I used to see you watch your football and WWEF and sleeping together. Those 1.5 years was so fantastic, where we got to know each other. And I think what I learned is that you don't necessarily need to like each other. You have to accept each other. And I think the first major acceptance that happened in my life was, when I met you, because you and me were so different. But I think it's a friendship that continued, for years, and it's only solidified. I still remember, small things like when I needed money for a car, or when we did that Bangalore trip together, or your words of motivation when I was at the lowest of my lows, when I had left the Taj and I didn't know what I'm going to do. I think your friendship has been that strength in my life. Your friendship has been that positivity. Your friendship has been that sense of humor that I've needed in life. I mean, I still remember when I wanted to lose weight, I came, stayed with you for a month, and that was so kind of you. So I am so happy for you, Chini. I know life has been tough, and I know there have been phases of your life that, maybe a normal person could not go through. But I do know one thing, that whatever you are today and wherever you are in life today is purely because of your journey, and I'm grateful that I have been a part of that journey of yours, and wishing you a super life ahead. Be positive, keep cracking at life the way you do, and wishing you so much happiness. I'm so happy that you have Anita and a wonderful son, and both of you, all of you are such a great family. So spend a lot of family time, slow down a bit, we're growing old, chill, unwind, just be happy. I think it comes down to that. I just wish you so much happiness in life. God bless. Take care.
Hi, Chini. Wishing you a very happy 40th birthday. I think Akshay has spoken enough and lots and more. So, from my side, naughty at 40. Mwah.
Many, many happy returns of the day, Srini. God bless you. 40th life starts now. And may God bless you with a gram watch every year till the next 40th.
Hey Srini, here's wishing you a very happy birthday. Lots of great memories riding those Harleys. One of the best was the Malsej ride, where you overcame two things which were in my head. First, riding in the rains. I never rode in the rains after some incident long time back. And the second was getting completely wet and still having a great time. Thank you for those great memories. Wish you a happy birthday. You're a rock star, buddy. Thank you.
Srini, happy birthday. You look so sexy, man. Even at 40, you're like one stud boy, yaar. Okay, anyway, wish you a very happy birthday. Have a superb day and a fantastic year ahead. And keep lifting all those weights and build up those fat panju arms of yours. Happy birthday again. Abhi bata party ka bhi de raha hai. That is more important. Anyway, have a great day, brother. Cheers.
Okay, hi Srini. A very happy 40th birthday to you. It has been a pleasure knowing you since last 10-11 years that I know, since I bought a Harley and we went for my first long ride with you. And who else but it could have been you to guide me throughout the day, from the early morning. How do we go about doing our rides? How do we go about the convoy? How do we manage everything in discipline? And you were so courteous that in the morning you called me Mr. Nakhwa. By afternoon, after lunch, or in an hour or 2 hours in Gujarat, or we were going to Coimbatore. So yeah, so by the time it was midday, you from Mr. Nakhwa it went to Gorakh. By 3 o'clock, I remember during the tea, he said, you were on the Scala, you started saying, Abhe Chutia. And by 5:36, Bhen Chod, Gadi to rok, brake to maar. So Srini, love you. You've been a fantastic human being. You've been there and back. You've seen what happens at the end of what we are living a life, and you've come back, and you come back how. So God bless you. All the best.
Hi Srini, many happy returns of the day. वैसे तो I don't किसी की बड़ाई नहीं करता, but करना पड़ेगा, because you are the person behind my life who has made me lift the heaviest till date, my personal. So thanks for that, and hope you continue your workouts and rides and enjoy life.
Happy birthday, Srini! Actually, Srinivas Balasubramaniam. I love saying your name. And also, you are an inspiration to a lot of people, especially with all of the things you have gone through. And still, you're rocking it. Have a great year ahead. Once again, happy birthday!
Hello, Mr. Subramaniam. I want to wish you a very happy birthday, Srini. He's one of the most wonderful guy I've met in my riding life. and such a sweetheart. I've actually seen him touch death and come back, and he's such a fighter, such a good guy, and he's rebounded back so well. I wish him a long, healthy, wealthy life, and I'm so glad I met you in this lifetime. Enjoy your 40th birthday, bro. You still have a look like a behavior like a 20-year-old kid, and keep behaving that way, and happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Srini. Welcome to Club 40. It's been a decade that I know you and we know each other. Ever since the Harley episode started, if there is one person that always stood for grit and boldness, it's you, Srini. I've always been inspired by your never say die attitude. Happy birthday once again. God bless you.
Hey Srini, happy 40th. Srini, you've been such a great friend all these years. You've always been there to hear me out and support me. I love you for the strong person that you are. Wishing you all the happiness. Have a great year ahead and many, many more.
Hey Srini, here's wishing you a wonderful, wonderful birthday. You're truly an inspiration. You are, you're somebody who has a zest for life, and I really wish you all the very best, all the success that you deserve. Wishing you loads of love, happiness on your birthday. Take this as a personal wish from Amma, Appa and me. Stay blessed, stay happy, and flex those Panju arms. I think you need to kind of work out a little more. Yeah, you need any tips, let me know. I can probably share what I'm doing, and not that you can beat me, but yeah, you can get there. Take care, Srini. Lots of love. Bye.
श्रीनी भाई अलियास माय डियर हल्क, आपको 40वें जन्मदिन पर बहुत बहुत बधाई। आप इसी तरीके से स्वस्थ रहें और ताकतवर रहें, यही हमारी आपको शुभकामनाएं। वंस अगेन विश यू हैप्पी बर्थडे। थैंक यू।
Srinivas Balasubramaniam, wish you a very, very happy birthday. I'm sure you've guessed who this is by now. You know only one person who is so well endowed, good looking, handsome, wealthy, with the best sedan car on this planet. Happy birthday, my brother. Have a great day. Love you.
Hi Srini, wish you many happy returns of the day from Chandrakant Shetty and family, and also from your favorite mushroom ghee roast. You are a wonderful friend I met in this Harley group. You are a strong person. God bless you and a wonderful year ahead. आणि 40 आहे तू कोणाला सांगू नको रे, आमचं पण वय नजर येतो आम्हाला. टेक केअर, बाय.
Happy birthday. You're turning 40, Grandpa is downhill from now on, and you dare remind me that I turned 40 last week. Best wishes, and you are one hell of a person, strong, and with what you've been through, you definitely sorted in your head for your remain of your life, because none of us can imagine what you've been through, but I can see how tough it was. I'm gonna tell you now, you have a beautiful family and you are in a happy place in life. Take care of yourself. Just be happy and peaceful, and happy birthday.
Mr. Subramaniam, your friend, dentist, wishes you many happiness of the day. 40th birthday, man. A big milestone, really. And you must be shocked to see my video, but all the credit goes to your wife, Anita. She has really done a great job collecting all these videos, and wish you a long life, and hopefully I should get a big party, and just have fun, man. Have a great life. Take care.
Hey Srini, happy birthday. Have a wonderful day and a great year. Just wanted to say thank you so much for being a great friend to us. We are very lucky to have you in our lives, and happy birthday on behalf of your bhai too. Take care.